Hi, I'm Chris Donnelly, a builder by trade, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a damaged door. While cleaning the door to Mum's garage recently, it revealed some rot and wood deterioration, and it's also got some smoke damage. First step is to take the door off its hinges and put it on some sturdy stools to make it easier to work with. For the smoke damage, I'm going to start by cleaning it with Resene Heavy Duty Paint Prep and Oil Remover. Scrub that on and then wash it off with water. Give your door a good wipe and then wait for it to dry. Once it's dry, put your drop cloth down and get ready for the next step. The damage on the bottom of the store is so bad I need to replace the timber. And the board I'm replacing it with will need some extra prep. I'm using Resene TimberLock first. Then once that's dry, I prime the board with Resene Wood Primer. I wait for that to dry, and then the final step is Resene Enamel Undercoat, and I make sure I'm wearing gloves with all these products because they're oil based. While they dry, I'm forming a rebate on the bottom of my door so the new timber will fit in perfectly. First I remove the old timber and then I measure a rebate onto the new timber. I'm aiming for a 5mm rebate, and if my calculations are correct, it'll fit like a glove. Next up, I'm using Repair Care Super Finish 2-in-1 from Resene to fill in the gaps. I've learnt to flatten it out one way, then scoop it up the other way to fold it together and get it to the right consistency. Apply where needed and leave for 30 minutes to dry. If you spot any more rot while you're working, give that a scrape out too. Then I've got Repair Care Dry Fix to apply where my new wood will be attached. This will maximise adhesion when I combine it with the next product I'm using, Repair Care Dry Flex from Resene. And I can use the Repair Care Dry Flex to fill any other holes in the door I've missed. This will need 4 hours to dry. And once it's dry, I give the door a quick sand. I'm starting with a 120 grit, then finishing it off with a 180 grit so the new paint can key into the old paint. Get rid of the dust, and then clear off any remnants of glue. Wipe the door down with a damp cloth, and suit up. Now we're ready for the primer. I'm using Resene Quick Dry. Once that's dry, you're ready for the top coat. I'm using Resene Luster Acryl Semi-Gloss and Resene Black White. You'll need 2 coats of this. When your second coat is dry, reinstate your door and pat yourself on the back.